drawing the eye. Now, I'm asking you to grab a piece of paper and draw an eye. Stop the video. Okay, have you got it? Now, take another paper and follow me. When you draw a person, you don't just need to draw what you see, but you also need to know what to pay attention at. In the next video, I'm going to draw a random eye and explain you how should it look like. You will follow along, and as an assignment, you need to draw a realistic eye of a real person. It can be a friend or family, or you can also find a picture on the internet and print it or just show it on your screen. It doesn't really matter. You just need to try your overwritten symbol of your eye. Observe the eye of the person and pay attention to the things I will show you in the next video. But first, watch my husband. I try this exercise on him and see his results. Then share your results in the Lilipop Online Art Room. I'm putting the link of the Facebook group in the resource section. I'm going to show you what his results are. Well, this is the eye he has drawn as a first attempt, and this is the eye he has drawn after the exercise. I think it's a real progress. I'm really proud of him, and after like 2 or 3 minutes of explanation, he has overwritten his well-known symbol, which looks rather like a Mexican in a boat. I'm really looking forward to see your results in the Lilipop Online Art Room. So please join and share.